Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing good and safe at your home. Before start today's lesson, we will do a quick recap of previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we started with the introduction of chapter number 2, that is working with files. And today first we will summarize it and then we will start our today's lesson. So first we will know about what is the file. So file is basically a place where we can store information, just like our school bags, in which we keep our books and notebooks in a bag. The computer keeps data in file. Okay, so there are different type of files. We know about we will learn about this, and after that we will know which extension is used for which type of the file. So there are some type of file: text file, document, word document, picture files, audio files, video files. Okay, so there are some extension that tell about us what type of the file it is. Okay, so if it is a text file, then the extension that it will use is .txt. If whenever you see the .txt extension, then you have to know that you will know about it, that it is a text file. Okay, so if there is a word document, then there the extension that is used for the word document is docs, docs. And similarly for picture file we use .jpg and .png. For audio files we use .mp3, and for video files we use .mp4. Okay, after that we will learn about how we write the name of the file. Okay, first we will write the name of file. For example, just like here we are writing, again I am writing the file name. So first I will write the name of the file. For example, I am writing file name 1. I'm writing the name of the file. I write the file name 1, and after that I want to create a Word document. So the extension I will use for the Word document is .docx. Okay, so this is the file name, and after the file name we have to put the dot, and after a dot we write the extension that tell us about the what is the type of the file. Okay, so if I'm writing docs here, that means it represents the Word document. So this is the recap about the previous lesson. So now we will start our today's lesson, and we will do some practicals in this lesson. So there is the first practical: how to change the background of your laptop or PC. So first we will learn about how to change our laptop background. So first we will go to the desktop screen, and here we will right click on it and go to the personalize, the last one option, personalize, and click on it. After that this screen will appear, the settings screen, and we will click on the background, and we will select any type of picture from here, and we can browse, we can select any picture from your device, any type of picture. For example, I am selecting this one, so I will click on it and choose this picture and click the choose option. Okay, so look at here, the background is changed now. First we minimize it and look at here, the first background is different from this, and now it will change. For this is the first method. And the second method, if you don't want to right click of your mouse, then what will you do? Just go to the start button option here and click on the setting and go to the background and choose any type of picture, or you can choose from your laptop storage. For example, I am selecting this one. Okay, so look at here, the background is changed now. So this is your first practical, and we will start our second practical, that is how to take the screenshot in a laptop or a PC. Okay, so there are three methods to taking the screenshot in your laptop or PC. So we will discuss it one by one. So first one is with the help of window key and print screen. So print screen option is on your first line of your keys. function keys. There is a first line for the functions key. There is also a print screen key on the first line, and at your last line of the keyboard there is a window key. Okay, so we have to press first we have to press the window, and after that we have to press the print screen. It will take your screenshot of the entire screen of your laptop that show in the video. It will take the complete screenshot of your picture screen. First I have to click on the window, and after that I have to click on the print screen option. So look at here, there is a blink here. That means we have taken the screenshot of the entire screen. If you want and it is saved on your clipboard. So if I show you the screenshot, we can also paste here screenshot. For example, we with the help of Control V, look at here, this is the screenshot that I am taking that I take earlier. Okay, this is your entire screenshot with the help of window key and print screen. So okay, now we will move to the second method of taking the screenshot in our laptop. So that is with the help of snipping tool. So for that we just need to write the snipping tool in our search bar, that is search bar. Okay, that is on your taskbar. Just write the snipping tool here, and look at here, there at the top there is a snipping tool, this one. Just if you want to open it, just double tap on it or just click on the open option. Okay, I am clicking on the option open. So look at here, if I click on the new option here, you have to click on the new option here, and if you want to take the screenshot, I want to take the screenshot from this area. Look at here, there is a icon, plus icon, that is shown on your screen. If you and I want to take the screenshot from the second practical. Okay, for example, I'm taking the screenshot from here. Just click on the left button of your mouse and drag it the area that you want to use as a screenshot and release it. Okay, so look at here, this is your screenshot, and if you want to take this specific area, save this specific area, then click on the file, and after that click on the save as option and save. Here I am saving this in the this PC, and after that the pictures folder. Okay, just write the name of this file. I am writing image. Okay, this is the name of my file, and look at here, this is the save as the type means the extension of the image file. So what is the extension of the image file? That is .png or .jpg. So I am taking png, and I can also use .jpg, but I am taking this one, and after that I click on the save option. Okay, so this one this screenshot of mine laptop is saved in this PC. First we have to click on this PC and then the picture option. So look at here, this one is image.png is our screenshot that we take earlier. Okay, so I double click on it and open it. So look at here, this is the screenshot that we take with the help of second methods, with the help of snipping tool. Okay, so we completed our first practical number 1, changing the background, and after that the practical number 2, the first method of our practical number 2, that is with the help taking the screenshot with the help of window key and the print screen. Okay, and the second method with the help of snipping tool. Now we will start our practical number 2, method number 3, that is taking the screenshot with the help of window key plus shift key or shift button and the S key. Okay, this is basically used to take the screenshot of your specific area. So first we will go to the desktop option, because I want to take the screenshot of my desktop. Specific area means I want to take the screenshot of this area only, my left side, only this icon, selective area. So what will I do? I will click on the window plus shift and the S option. Plus first I have to click the window, then shift and then S button. Okay, S key. So I click on it and look at here, there are option, they are saying drag a shape to create a screen snipe. So I will I will select the area, as I earlier told you that I want to take the screenshot of these icons only. So I will go to the starting point and click on the left mouse button and drag this area. Okay, so and after that I release this. Okay, so look at here, I take the screenshot and this specific area screenshot is saved on my clipboard. Okay, and now I want to paste it in my Word document. So first I will go to the Word document and after that, okay, now I want to paste the screenshot that I take with the help of window plus shift and plus S key, and that is also saved in my clipboard. But I want to paste this into my Word document, and I will use the shortcut key that I will use to paste something in my Word document that is already saved on my clipboard. That key is Control plus V. First we have to click on Control and after that we have to click on V key. First I will double tap on it and click on Control plus V and look at here, the screenshot is here. Okay, so this is your third method, third practical or method of the practical number 2, that is how to take the screenshot in your laptop or PC with the help of window key plus shift and S option, S key. Okay, so we completed over practical number 1 and practical number 2 with the 3 methods, and now we will move to our last practical, that is how to convert Word to a PDF. If I want to convert my Word document to a PDF document, which steps are there to convert my document to the PDF? So this is my Word document. Look at here, this is my document 1 Word, and I want to convert this document into the PDF. I will simply click on the file option here, and after that I will go to the save as option. Okay, by clicking on it, there is a interface you can see here. You can save the file on your OneDrive, this PC, and anywhere else. You can also save your file from here by clicking on browse and select any type of place destination where you want to save it. I want to save my this document in the downloads option, and after that by clicking on it, they are asking for my for the file name. I am writing here class 5. Okay, and after that I have to select the type of the document. So I want to convert my Word document to my PDF document, so I have to click on the PDF extension, that is .pdf here. So this will convert my Word document to the PDF document because I clicked on the type .pdf. Okay, and after that I have to click on the save option. So look at here, class, this one, class 5.pdf. That means my Word document is converted into the PDF document. So look at here, this is your PDF. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. We learned in our lesson about we did 5 practicals here. The first one is how to change the background of your laptop or the PC. The second one is how to take screenshot in the laptop or PC. There are three methods. The first one is with the help of window key and print screen key. The second one is with the help of snipping tool, and the third one is with the help of window key plus shift and S key. Okay, so this is your second practical, and the third one is how to convert the Word document to the PDF document. Okay, so that's all for your today's lesson.